work from home jobs available worldwide. In 3, 2, 1. Hello guys, welcome to this new and super exciting money making video. I'm Lucy from Online Income Success, and if you know how to type and click a mouse, then you can make money online. Simply watch this short video to get the best online jobs at home that will earn you money online just by typing or doing other simple tasks. I'm going to show you all the secrets on how to apply for these typing jobs from home that will make you some good, sweet money online. And the best part is that you don't need to be an expert. You don't need to have any previous experience, and you don't need to type 1 million words per minute to be able to make money online with this data entry work. Because today, if you stay until the end of this video, you will discover how to perform better and faster than most of the people in these part-time jobs. And this way, of course, make way more money than the rest. But before we actually get into this, if you like making money online, then make sure you go below this video and click on that red subscribe button, then tap the notification bell, because we provide every single week the best videos on how to make money online. And also remember to drop a like on this video as well if you enjoyed this content. With all that done, let's jump into our 5 different work-at-home jobs offers that pay $20, $50, $100 or more a day just by doing some simple data entry work. Alright, so on number 5 we have Only Remote Jobs. OnlyRemoteJobs.com is a platform that helps people around the world get freelance jobs on data entry and digital customer service tasks. They have interesting job openings available almost all the time, and everybody that is looking to work from home is totally welcome to join their digital workforce. What I like the most about this company is that their goal is to always get you your ideal work from home job quickly, easily, and with no experience required. Now let's look at the benefits of Only Remote Jobs. First of all, you can sign up for free. The application is really easy to do. You'll also get full flexibility, since being a freelance remote worker at Only Remote Jobs allows you to make your own schedule, deciding when and where to work. Now I want to show you more details on the 2 main jobs you can apply for on this website. You will see how anyone with basic computer skills can do part-time online data entry jobs from home. Let's go to the top menu and click on the Find Me a Job link. Now let's scroll down to find the remote jobs profiles. As you see, for data entry, you will only have to input data into a digital platform and transcribe information. This way you will be helping companies implement technology solutions, and the skills they're looking for is being proficient at typing, basic computer skills, organizational and time management abilities, accuracy and attention to detail, and multitasking ability. Now for the customer service profile, you will help build customer loyalty by providing high quality digital customer service via digital channels such as email, live chat, web care, and forums. The skills that are needed here are good communication skills, written and verbal, multitasking ability, organizational and time management abilities, creativity, and empathy. Also, you will need basic computer knowledge. And remember to continue watching this video, because I'm going to show you how you can improve your data entry skills, so that way you can earn more money. Now let's go through the exact step-by-step process of how this freelance jobs online opportunity works, and click on the top link how it works. Now let's scroll down a bit, so let's look at the steps to get your new remote job. First off, you will join the network and just let them know what you're looking for. After that, you will be receiving interesting job offers, and you will get an overview of the type of work requirements and information about earnings and payments. After that, you will apply for the jobs that you're interested in. Then they will assess whether you're the right person for the job. Then the client will select the best candidate for their job, and after that you will be selected and now part of the Online Remote Jobs team. Finally, if you're ready to earn good income with OnlineRemoteJobs.com, you can simply click on the I'm ready to join button, which will take you to this form that you will fill out. When you're done entering your data, you can click on the Find Me Remote Jobs button, and you will be ready to apply for the jobs you like. Continuing with our countdown of the 5 best work from home jobs, we have Amazon Mechanical Turk. On the Amazon Mechanical Turk or MTurk website, you will be able to make a good part-time income in your spare time by completing simple tasks. Amazon MTurk hires people from all around the world to complete tasks like tagging objects found in an image, classifying and identify objects found in satellite imagery, removing duplicate content from business listings, identifying incomplete or duplicate products. You will also be gathering information by answering questions from a computer, filling out market research, writing content for websites. You will be doing data processing by editing and transcribing audio content, translating content, among others. And you want to stay until the end of this video because I'm going to give you free resources that you can use to maximize your earnings results. So to start working for this company, you can start by clicking on this Get Started with Amazon Mechanical Turk button. Then click on the Create a Worker Account button to simply create a 100% free worker account to be able to sign in and search for the task available on the Turk platform. On the Amazon Turk website, it's possible to earn more than $100 a week and more than $500 a month. So every time you complete a task and the requester approves it, Amazon Mechanical Turk transfers the payment to your Turk account for you to then transfer your earnings to your Amazon Payments account or to an Amazon.com gift card. You can then send your earnings to your bank account from your Amazon Payments account. Our third spot showing you good income part-time jobs belongs to Lionbridge AI. Lionbridge Technologies Inc., or most commonly known as Lionbridge, is a company based in the United States that provides services like translation, online marketing, global content management, and application testing products to many big important companies around the globe. Now, the Lionbridge AI or Artificial Intelligence division is more specialized in providing data collection and data annotation services to the world's leading technology companies. And you can access their website at lionbridge.ai. As you see, Lionbridge provides human-labeled data for hundreds of use cases, like data collection, data annotation, data validation, and linguistics. Lionbridge supports a global community of over 1 million freelancers in over 300 languages, and they've been around for over 20 years now. So you know this is a legit and one of the most important worldwide online jobs at home provider. Now, if we click on the jobs link located on the top main menu, we are taken to this remote jobs with Lionbridge offer page, where you will find more information on the flexible online careers and competitive salaries they got for you. So most of the common jobs you can get on lionbridge.ai are data annotation jobs, where you would be object labeling in images, labeling words in bodies of text, voice recording, and more. There are also data entry jobs, where the common tasks include transcribing images, digitalizing, reading documents, audio transcription, and more. You can also do online translation jobs, and there are also online rating jobs, where you will be required to provide feedback and analysis on content found in search engines results and provide ratings on their relevance to the search terms used. They have also online maps and data analysis, where you will be determining the relevance and accuracy of online map data. Now, here are the benefits that come with working on the Lionbridge AI panel. You'll be getting a flexible schedule, a competitive salary, and accessible work. And way at the bottom of the page, you can read some cool success stories of people working on these jobs. And if these people are happy, then imagine how happy you will be with the hack that I'm going to show you that allows you to do this way faster, even if you have absolutely no experience using a keyboard. And this is going to allow you to enter more data so you can get paid more money. So if you're interested, you can simply click on the top right corner Sign Up button to get started with these earn money online typing jobs from home. Getting closer to the easiest and best paying work from home jobs, we got Clickworker. This is another big and now high-tech services company, somewhat like Lionbridge, that offers to its clients a cloud technology platform for data management and AI algorithm training. They basically help their clients create datasets for machine learning and artificial intelligence training. Now, on the other side, Clickworker fulfills their clients by offering you to complete small work tasks for them. They have more than 2.2 million Clickworkers based in 136 countries worldwide, making Clickworker one of the largest microtask marketplaces. And what is best about the online data entry task on Clickworker is that they also have an app so you can complete them on the go. Tasks on Clickworker include data entry style work, taking photos, and as I mentioned before, training artificial intelligence systems. Clickworker has been around a long time, for over 15 years now, paying their freelancers since 2005. And these are just some of the reasons that make Clickworker a 100% legit money-making site. If you're interested in this freelancer online work, you can apply now because this company is receiving workers from many different countries and they pay through PayPal, TransferWire, and bank transfer. Just start by coming over to their website at clickworker.com and click on the Earn Money as a Clickworker button. You will land on their workers page, and if we scroll down a bit, we can read the steps to take to be part of their workforce. First, you just sign up at their website, then you will fill out your user profile. After that, you will be able to complete your assessments and get good results to ensure other jobs be available for you, then process your jobs online, and finally get paid on a weekly or monthly basis as you wish. So, just scroll more to the bottom and click on the blue sign up button. Now you will begin the registration process that will take you about 5 minutes to complete. Then you will be able to apply to the different data entry work available to start earning some good PayPal cash. And last but not least, the online jobs at home company that will offer you the best benefits while doing data entry work and other easy tasks is. But before we continue, I hope you're finding this video useful, and if you are, if you haven't already, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel to get more tips, tools, and tutorials for building your real and successful internet income. In other words, subscribe if you like money. And also hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know every time we upload a new video on how to make money online. Okay, now let's get back into this video. Alright, so our top number one on this list is called Xerox. Believe it or not, the well-known Xerox company frequently offers work-from-home jobs, including data entry work. And for all you guys that don't know it, Xerox was founded way back in 1906 and is a world leader in document technology and related services for businesses around the globe. Xerox manufactures products like photocopiers, black and white printers, multifunction systems, workflow solutions, and scanners, among other related devices. And like many huge evolving companies, Xerox has seen the benefits of working from home and now employs many people remotely around the world through their virtual office program. This company has offered a variety of flexible jobs, including part-time, temporary, and short-term jobs in areas like account management, customer service, computer and IT, and sales. The best part is that even if you take the virtual part-time jobs, they will still give you full benefits, including medical coverage, paid time off, and resources for elder care and child care, among others, which is really great and hard to get when working online. Now, if this got your attention and you want to be part of Xerox online jobs at home force, you can start by coming over to their website at xerox.com, then scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on the option that says Careers. Now on this page, you can click on the Search for Jobs button. Now you just filter by your country and choose any other filter you like. Then click on See More Filters, and for the virtual option, you select Yes. Then click on the Search button. Now you will get all of the virtual work from home jobs that are posted. When you find one that interests you, you click on the title to take you to the complete description and details for this offer. So I recommend always be sure to read the job description carefully to see if there is anything specific mentioned about your location. And if you have any doubt, you can just email the company and ask. Now the trick that will make you complete the task on these websites a lot faster is by using voice typing. So the voice typing technology transcribes what you say in speech into a text article. And since we talk way faster than we can type, then using this voice typing tool is going to get you paid a ton more money than if you would do it the common pressing key after key way. Now to implement this hack for 100% free, all you have to do is go to your Google Docs sites. You simply log on to your Gmail account and click over the square with dots icon to open the Google Apps menu. Then scroll until you find the blue paper icon that says Docs. Then click on blank to create a new document. Now on the top menu, click on Tools, and then you go and click on the voice typing option. Now this microphone icon will appear, and all you have to do is click over it to speak, and it will automatically write your words. So just sit in front of your computer and say whatever you need to have in a text. It's as simple as that. But wait, there is an even better hack that you can use to make money online while you sleep. So if you want to discover all about it, click and watch this next video right here to then do nothing and get paid PayPal money for free. Remember, be different, take action. With that being said, thank you for watching and see you on the next video.